Hi, and welcome to Schoology. Schoology is an online learning, classroom management, and social networking platform that improves learning through better communication, collaboration, and increased access to curriculum and supplemental content. To sign up, go to Schoology.com and click on the Sign Up It's Free button in the middle of the page. Click on the Instructor button. Fill out your first name, last name, email address or username, password, and confirm password, and click Register. To log in, find the Login button on the right of the page. Enter your username or email address and password. Then type in the name of your school. As you type, a menu will open below that will allow you to select your school. Select the school under which you are registered and click Login. Please note that users who do not have an email address associated with their account will not be able to reset their password using the Forgot Your Password link. Each time you log in, you will be taken to your homepage. The homepage is broken down into a 3-column layout. On the right-hand side, you have upcoming events, assignments, reminders, anything with a date associated with it will show up here. On the left-hand side, you have your personal user tabs, which include your personal calendar, your personal messages, the people that are in your directory or those you've made a connection with, and your subscriptions if you subscribe to another Schoology user's blog. The center column is your recent activity feed. The recent activity feed is a live snapshot of the courses, groups, and people you're associated with. You can post an update, an assignment, and an event right from your homepage. You can also choose who to post your update, assignment, or event to by clicking Browse. You also have the ability to attach a file or link embed a video directly from your homepage. Another important feature to check out when getting started with Schoology is your notifications. By going to Notifications, you can select the Schoology notification you'd like to receive via email or text message. Now let's check out a course. A course that has not been built out yet will look like this. It has the same 3-column layout as the homepage. The right column lists upcoming events and reminders. The left column lists your personal user tabs, including the ability to edit course options, view course updates, view your gradebook, and set up your gradebook, view attendance, view members of the course, and view course analytics. The center column is set to the Materials page by default. You can change the default landing page to Updates under Course Options. The Add Materials button is like your toolbox when building out course content. You can add an assignment, an online test or quiz, a file or link, a discussion, a page, a media album, or import from your resources. Depending on your personal style, you can also build out structure by organizing your content into folders. Now let's look at a course that has already been built out. Even if the materials are organized in folders like in this example, they will also populate in the materials index below the folders. As you can see, you can also build folders within folders. You can create a custom page of text, images, videos, HTML, or any combination of these elements. Each page has a rich text editor that allows you to customize font, styles, colors, and indents. You can also upload files, embed videos, and customize the HTML of the page. You also have the ability to create an interactive discussion. Each discussion has threaded commenting, allowing students to respond to any post by another student. These comments can also be moderated, which will require the teacher to approve each post before it is published. You can also enable grading or rapid discussion around text, an image, or a video. The check marks next to each comment shows that the comment has been graded. You can enter a comment and check the box if you'd like to show the comment to your student. A blue dot will appear next to an ungraded item. The Filter by User feature allows you to filter through student comments and review the number of comments each student has posted. You can also post your own comment, reply, like, or delete a student's comment, and attach a file, link, or embed. And the comment timeline allows you to view the comments in chronological order. Assignments are used as graded items in conjunction with the gradebook. Once an assignment has been created, a profile will be automatically generated. The description and any additional files or links will appear in the profile, along with the Dropbox and comment tools. Each assignment has an optional Dropbox where students can submit files and where you can view, grade, and comment on the assignment. You can also select the grading category as well as attach a file, link, or embed. You can use the assignment profile to manage Dropbox submissions, grade students, and participate in the comments area. By clicking on a student's assignment, you will be able to view the assignment in the doc viewer, as well as edit the document. You can also have a one-on-one conversation with your student. Enter a grade, an optional comment, check the box to show the comment to your student, and click Submit. Click the arrow to scroll to your next student's assignment. You can create an online test or quiz for students to take on Schoology. Currently, this feature supports true-false, multiple choice, ordering, short answer, fill in the blank, and matching question types. You can also import questions from Blackboard or Mastery. You can customize a wide array of settings for each test or quiz, including the ability to set a time limit, an attempt limit, randomize the question order, and more. By selecting results, you can view the overall quiz stats as well as viewing the quiz results by student and by question. Each test or quiz appears in the gradebook and is automatically graded unless the questions are subjective. You can manually override these grades and add comments in the gradebook or by selecting View Responses. Now let's head back to the course profile. By clicking on the gear icon to the right of each folder, you will open a list of options for that folder. Folder availability can be set to visible, hidden, available after, or available between two different dates, giving you greater control over when the folder is visible by students. When a folder is hidden, a gray box will surround the folder, listing if the folder is hidden or when the folder will be available. You can also choose to hide or show content in the materials index. You can set conditional release for folders and course materials by clicking Student Completion under the Options button or under the gear icon to the right of each folder. Then simply set the student completion rules. You also have the ability to save your content to your resources. Resources houses all of your content and Schoology collections in one place. You can think of a collection as a master folder that helps organize all of your work. Your Google Docs can also behave similarly to a collection. To sync your Google Docs as a collection in your resources, click on the Connect button found under your account settings. Enter your Google information and click Grant Access. Once your account is linked, you can import any item in your Google Docs to a course or course folder. Your home and additional collections hold all of the folders, files, and links uploaded to your resources area. You may choose to share your collection, excluding home, by clicking on the Share button located between Add Resources and Options. Once you've shared your collection, click on the Sharing button to set permissions to view only or can edit. You may remove members from your collection at any time by clicking on the X to the right of the Permission drop-down menu. When someone in your network has shared a collection with you, the collection will appear under the Shared by Others section of your resources. To add a new collection, click on the box icon located to the right of My Resources. Enter a title and click Create. You can add materials directly from the Add Resources button, as well as rename or delete the collection. And finally, let's check out the Groups feature. To join a group, click on the Groups tab and click Join. Enter the access code for the group you'd like to join. To create a group, click on the Create link on the lower left of the drop-down. Fill out the group name and an optional description. Set privacy to customize who can view the group. By selecting School, only members of the school can view the group. By selecting Group, the group is only accessible to group members. And by selecting Custom, you can customize the privacy settings. Set access to customize who can join the group. By selecting Allow Requests, people can request to join the group. And by selecting Open, anyone who can view your group can join. Click Create to finish. As you can see, a group has the same 3-column layout like you've seen on the homepage and in a course. To view all of your groups, click on the Groups link and click See All. You can delete a group if you're the admin by clicking on the gear icon and clicking Delete. Let's view a group that has already been built out. This group is a poetry club, but you can decide how you'd like to use the Groups feature according to your own specific needs. You can add an event for the members of your group by clicking Add Event. Enter a time, a title, an optional description, and an optional RSVP. The event will appear on the right-hand column of your group page and on the home page of all group members. You can add members by sharing the access code in the green box on the left-hand side, as well as by clicking on the Members tab. In the Members section, you can use the Add Members button to quickly add members to the group. You can also share resources within a group, share media albums, participate in discussions, and post updates. Thanks for taking the time to walk through some of the main features within Schoology.